start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order in writ appeal and subsequent order in review, petition number 145/2006 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Madras, the original allottee of the land in question has preferred the present special leave petitions full stop. As the petitioner herein was allotted a plot bearing number 25 in Thiru Colony scheme area by the Tamil Nadu Slum Clearance Board full stop. The petitioner paid all the amounts payable in pursuance of the said allotment full stop. She was also issued with the no objection certificate for obtaining water connection and drainage connection full stop. However, before putting up any construction, she was required to obtain the permission from Chennai Municipal Corporation to put up construction full stop. The petitioner applied for approval of the building plan on 15/3/1996 full stop, but without waiting for the approval to the granted to the building plan, she proceeded with the construction full stop. It appears that the plot in question was earmarked as public convenience full stop. A civil suit was filed against the board so as to restrain the board in making allotment to the individual full stop. Hence, the plot allotted to the petitioner was required for the public purpose full stop. At this stage, it is required to be noted that the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority originally granted approval to the layout in the scheme town planning scheme, which showed the land in question to be earmarked for public convenience full stop. However, since the plot allotted to the petitioner was required for the public purpose, the CMDA did not approve the proposal for making the allotment full stop. That thereafter the Slum Clearance Board cancelled the allotment of the plot in question by proceedings dated 3/6/1996 full stop. It appears that despite the order of cancellation, the petitioner continued with the unauthorized construction, and even without the building plan getting sanctioned, approved full stop. According to writ appellant before the division bench of the High Court, the petitioner along with 50 persons stormed in the colony and began demolishing the public lavatory full stop. Therefore, writ petition came to be filed before the High Court, being writ petition number 1800/1996, directing the Slum Clearance Board to remove illegal construction by submitting that there are above 400 families residing in the said colony. Therefore, the Slum Clearance Board has constructed public toilets there